Did you know that 47% of jobs are at high risk from AI, according to Oxford University research? In this video, we'll reveal the top 10 industries that AI is expected to replace by 2024. Number 10, construction industry. AI integration is disrupting this vital sector, impacting project management and design processes. Job displacement may affect manual laborers due to the use of autonomous machines and on-site robotics. Number 9, transport and logistics industry. AI technologies are streamlining logistics and supply chains, with drones and robots replacing traditional courier services. Fully autonomous vehicles, like self-driving trucks, might lead to job displacement for transportation workers. Number 8, customer service. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants are automating routine customer inquiries, reducing reliance on human representatives. This trend is growing rapidly and may lead to job losses in customer support. Number 7, retail industry. E-commerce and AI-driven technologies are reshaping this sector with automated inventory management and cashier-less checkout systems. Human involvement in sales processes is being replaced by AI-driven services. Number 6, financial industry. AI's accurate predictions have made many traditional finance jobs obsolete. AI integration is increasing, providing robo-advisors and digital apps for investment execution. Number 5, editing and proofreading. AI-powered tools like Grammarly have revolutionized these tasks, making it easier to identify and correct writing errors. Number 4, fast food industry. Automation is transforming order placement, food preparation, and delivery processes in fast food chains, leading to job displacement. Number 3, manufacturing industry. The integration of AI-driven robotics has significantly increased manufacturing output. Automation has led to job losses in this sector. Number 2, accounting industry. AI and automation are streamlining processes, improving accuracy, and providing enhanced financial insights. Number 1, legal research industry. AI-powered legal research tools are automating the extraction and analysis of legal information, saving time and effort for legal professionals. Thanks for your support. Subscribe and like for more awesome content.